Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up WordPress using XAMPP. To begin, you will need to download and install XAMPP from the official Apache Friends website. Once XAMPP is installed, download the latest WordPress package, which is usually around 20 megabytes. Extract these WordPress files into the htdocs folder inside your XAMPP installation. The final step for setup is to open the XAMPP control panel and start both the Apache and MySQL services. This prepares your local server for the WordPress installation. Now let's create the database for your WordPress site. Open your web browser and go to localhost/phpMyAdmin. Here, you will create a brand new database. Choose a simple, descriptive name for it. It's crucial to remember this database name. For the username, it's usually root, and the password is often left blank by default in a local XAMPP setup. This database will be the heart of your WordPress site, storing all its content and configurations. With your database ready, it's time to install WordPress. In your web browser, go to localhost/yourWordPress folder to start the installation. You'll first select your language. On the next screen, input the database details you just created, your database name, the username root, and leave the password field empty. Finally, complete the quick 5-minute installation by setting your site title, creating an administrator username and a strong password, and providing your email address. You are almost there. Congratulations! Your WordPress site is now installed. You can access your new website by simply typing localhost/yourWordPress folder into your web browser. To manage your site, including posts, pages, and settings, navigate to localhost/yourWordPress folder/wp-admin and log in with your administrator credentials. Remember, before you can access your local WordPress site, you must always ensure that both the Apache and MySQL services are running in your XAMPP control panel. Enjoy building your website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.